Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Hariom and today we are going to discuss about Tata Motors. In this video, we'll deep dive into business model, financials and technical chart pattern, all in simple language. Make sure you stick around till the end to get the complete picture. Tata Motors is a big company that makes many types of vehicles like car, SUV, truck, buses and vehicles for army. It is a part of famous Tata Group which is known all over the world. Tata Motors sells its vehicle in many countries and offices and factories in India, UK, South Korea, Brazil, Austria and Slovakia. It also works with other companies like Jaguar Land Rover in the UK and Tata Devi in the South Korea. Now let's discuss business segment. First one is Jaguar Land Rover. Tata Motors bought Jaguar Land Rover in 2008 for $2.3 billion. Jaguar makes fancy cars like luxury sedan, sports car and electric vehicles. Land Rovers make SUVs and cars that can drive on rough roads. Under the geographical wise volume mix, North America covers 33% volume, Europe covers 18% volume, UK covers 19% volume, China covers 13% volume and the rest of the world covers 16% of revenue. Second one is Tata Commercial Vehicle. The company is India's largest manufacturer with a domestic Vahan market share of 37.7%. It offers a wide range of products and services across cargo and public transportation include bus, trucks and vans. Third one is Tata Passenger Vehicle. Tata Motors makes different types of cars like SUV, electric vehicles and sedans. It is the third biggest car company in India and has having around 13.3% market share. And for electric vehicle, it is the number one company in India and has having around 53% market share. Tata has the second largest network for selling cars in India. It also has over 18,000 plus charging stations for electric vehicle. Recently, company launched new version of Tiago, Tiago.ev and a Tiago with better technology, design and colors. In other segment, the company offers vehicle financing through independent dealers and a branch network. It has disbursed 7,800 crore for vehicle financing in India in FY24. Tata Motors sells its vehicle in many countries. India covers 29% revenue, USA covers 15% revenue, China and Europe covers 13% revenue and rest of the world covers 30% revenue. Tata Motors has having 25 manufacturing facilities where it makes vehicles. These factories are located in China, India, UK and North America. In March 2024, Tata Motors decided to split the company into two separate parts. One part will focus on commercial vehicle and the second part will focus on passenger vehicle, electric vehicle and Jaguar Land Rover. This change will expected to finish by October 2025. Now let's discuss future growth prospect of Tata Motors. First one is electric vehicle. Tata Motors is leading in EVs in India and plans to launch more models, expand charging station and grow its EV market share. Second one is Jaguar Land Rover. JLR will focus on premium electric and luxury vehicles to grow in global markets like USA, Europe and China. Third one is Demerger for focused growth. Tata Motors is splitting into two separate business. First one is commercial vehicle and the second one is passenger vehicles including EV and JLR to boost focus and faster growth. Now I'll discuss challenges. Management is careful about slow demand in China and the overall global economy. Tata Motors is working to keep the right amount of stock with the dealers to help them earn well, especially in tough market like China. Now I'll discuss financials of Tata Motors. Tata Motors has a market cap of around 2,68,000 crore, showing its strong presence in the market. Its current stock P ratio is at 11.3, which is significantly lower than the industry average of 25.0 and it's below its 5-year median P of 16.2, indicating the stock is low compared to its peers. The company has a healthy ROC of 20% and a ROE of 23.6%, reflecting an efficient use of capital and strong profitability. The debt to equity ratio stands at 0.62, which is relatively moderate. The company had high debt earlier, but thanks to focused effort, borrowings have been reduced sharply from 1,42,000 crore in March 21 to 71,540 crore by March 24, cutting the debt nearly half. This reduction is expected to continue improving the company's financial health further. Tata Motors achieved its highest ever quarterly sales of 1,19,503 crore, along with the record net profit of 8,556 crore, excluding an exceptional 17,528 crore in March 24 due to an advance tax rebate which is not considered in normal profit calculation. For the full year ending March 25, the company reported a record revenue of 4,39,695 crore, the highest ever so far, and a net profit of 28,149 crore, also the highest ever except for the 31,807 crore profit in March 24, included the advance tax rebate. In terms of ownership, promoters hold 42.58% of the share, while FII holds 17.84% and the DII holds 16.88%. Overall, about 79% of the shares are held by strong and reliable investors, including well-known names like Rekha Jhunjhunwala, while the remaining 21% are held by retail or weaker public shareholders. This strong shareholder base and improving financial positions Tata Motors well sustainable growth ahead. Now I'll discuss technical chart pattern of Tata Motors. Tata Motors stock is currently trading at about 37% below its lifetime high, reflecting a notable correction from its peak levels. During the US-China trade war, the stock had fallen nearly 55%, touching a low around 540. This level, which earlier acted as a resistance, now appears to be a strong support zone, as the price has taken a bounce from here multiple times. On the short-term chart, a reverse head and shoulder pattern is visible. This structure often signals a shift in trend direction, especially after a downtrend, and indicates consolidation around the important levels. Looking at the long-term chart, during the COVID period, Tata Motors had formed a cup with handle pattern which was followed a sharp upward phase. This pattern is considered reliable and was clearly respected on the chart. Currently, the stock is forming a base while trading near key technical levels. Let me know in the comment below how much time do you think Tata Motors will take to reclaim its previous lifetime high. And at last conclusion, Tata Motors doing well in many years, especially in commercial vehicle and electric vehicle. It faces some challenges in certain market conditions but is still growing. The management feels confident about its future with new plans and a new technology. This video is not a buy sell call. This video is only for study purposes. Before taking any action, please talk with your advisor first, because I am not a savvy registered RA. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. Happy investing.